Okay, sit tight, watch, listen as I teach you how I made this wonderful animation video effect. At this point, you want to be using any photo or any video of your choice. You can use photo, you can use video to do this. So watch as we do it. Capcut, new project. Import the video you want to use or photo you want to use for your own. This one, I want to use this video. So at this point, I will go to the end of the video and remove the unwanted part, either by cutting or trimming. As you can see, I trimmed my own. Then after that, you know how long you want your own to be. You can still import the video again if you want it to be longer than this. I wanted my own to be longer, that is why I imported it. Then I will be cutting here now. Then delete the last part because I don't need it. Look at what I am doing. I will cut this last part. Then I will come back. What you want to be doing here now is to locate a mask. Locate mask. You go and look for mask. As you click on mask, look at mask here, click on it. Click on rectangle. As you click on rectangle now, you want to be using this arrow to expand it. Yes. And to expand it, you use the upper arrow as well. Look at the upper arrow and minimize it to the level you want your own to be. Then you bring it to any position of your choice. So at this point, you click on keyframe. Then you adjust the video, you adjust the line. You adjust the video, you adjust the line. So keep adjusting the video. The key will be adding automatically. Any position you want to adjust the video, position you want to move, whichever way you want to move, you just move it. Look at it. As you are adjusting it, you are adding the key. Yes, at this point, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. And if you have found value in this video, why not give us thumbs up? Yes, you can give us thumbs up. And if you want us to mentor you in video editing, yes, my number is at the description of this video. Just all you need to do is just DM me, then we are good to go. So as you are moving the video, whichever position, look at what I am doing. You can decide to turn it around, you can decide to move it up, you can decide to stop at the center. Whichever way you want your own movement or your own video to play, you can do that. Look at what I'm doing. I am turning it around. So whichever way you want your own to be, then you can do that. So after that, look at what I am doing. When I get to the end where I added that second video that time, then I click on effect. Click on video effect. Then you look for an effect. Look at what I did. Here I went under nature. You go under nature or under any other place you want. You are the one that knows the kind of effect you want to add to your video. So you add that effect. Immediately that video play to this very place, to that second place, it will just show the full video. Look at it. It will show the full video with effect. So you know the effect you want to use. Any effect you want to use, the way you want to place your own effect, just go to effect. Then locate video effect. From there you click. We have different types of effect here: motion, nature, TV, 2024, and so on. My own I use from nature, and I use from love, and I use from spark. So you know where you want to pick your own effect. Look at the effects, go under the effects, play them, click them, check the one that preferably to you, the one you feel will make your video look very okay. Then you pick from there. And let me point out something here. You can see where I added my own effect. But you might be saying that I don't want my own video to be long as your own. So what do? What you need to do is, out of that picture or video you imported into this workspace, go there and click and cut the part you want to make full when the video or animation play to that level. So from there, it will now make it full. Then at that very place, add your effect there. Okay, as you do your own like that, you will get the same result that I've got in this video. So try it. If you have any problem trying to create the video or make the video, then go to the comment section and air your view there so that we can see how we can help you. Or better still, locate the description of this video. Then my number is there. You can DM me. Let me see how I can be of help to you. So as you finish adding the effect, you want the effect to play till the end of the video. So what you will do here is, look at what I am doing. You come and duplicate them. As you are duplicating them, you are adding. It must not necessarily, you must not necessarily join it. You can see what I am doing. You are duplicating it, you are shifting it, you are adding it, because you want the effect to play till the end of the video. Just duplicate them, click on duplicate, then you bring it, you do it like that till the end of the video. So when the video is playing now, the effect is playing with it till the end of the video. So that is how to make this video. So after that, now what is remaining now is to export this video. You play it and see the result you have got. You can now export the video, then it will save in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. If you have any challenge, don't hesitate to reach out to us. And click on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials and updates. Thank you. Stay safe.